Welcome to the Wolfram Language in Section 20 of Fast Introduction for Programmers. This section describes some of the natural language features of the system, which are the features for entering input in plain English. One way to specify that input will be in natural language is to type the equal key as the first character in your input. For example, you can type equal and then write out 2 plus 2, and the system will translate that input into Wolfram Language code and return the result. You can also ask for other things. For example, you can type an equal sign and then type picture of a wolf, and press Shift-Enter and the result is a picture of a wolf. Quite often you can use this system to generate code from natural language. For example, you can enter equal sign and then type plot a sine curve, and the system will translate that input into Wolfram Language code involving the plot function and generate the plot. You can also include natural language input within other code or as part of a larger program. To do that, type control equal to specify that something within another input will be given in natural language. For example, you can enter part of an input, say 3 plus, and then control equal, and then some natural language input, and the system will translate the natural language portion of that input into Wolfram Language code and do the calculation. Typing an equal sign at the start of an input, like this, specifies that the entire input will be in natural language. So if the natural language is only part of some other input, like this, then use control equal to mix natural language input with other Wolfram Language code. The natural language system is powered in part by the same system that powers Wolfram Alpha. You can get the full Wolfram Alpha report by entering 2 equal signs at the start of a line of input. For example, this gives the Wolfram Alpha report for earthquakes in the United States over the past year. That's the end of the examples for this section. Natural language input greatly simplifies and expands the usability of the system and has many benefits and applications beyond the examples shown in this video. There are many places to get more information about natural language input. One good source of information is the online documentation, which you can find by choosing Wolfram Documentation under the Help menu to bring up the Documentation Center page, clicking the Core Language and Structure button, and then selecting Freeform and External Input from the menu that comes up, which brings up this page with links to several ways of using the natural language system. Within this page is a link to more information on Wolfram Alpha, which includes, among other things, a convenient summary of the 3 ways that were shown in this video of entering natural language input: typing an equal sign at the start of an input, using 2 equal signs to get the full Wolfram Alpha report, and using control equal for including natural language input within other code.